Ooh, chill. Whoa! That was us! What? That was us! Whoa.
Yo, it's recording.
What's up? Hey GoPro, turn off.
It didn't do it.
Hey GoPro, stop recording.
There you go.
What's going on, guys? Guess what? We're about to pick up the Mustang. I'm coming too. He's staying. He's gonna stay. We're going. Alright guys, so guess what? Brendan, my man here, he's about to pick up his Mustang, right? Ain't that right? Turn that volume down. Walk that way. Okay. Alright. Hey, turn around, man.
That was not good, bro.
That was good. That was good. Yes, keep rolling.
No, redo it.
Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna just close.
Redoing it.
I'm gonna just tell me to. All right, man. Beautiful day out here, but guess what, guys? We're about to pick up a Mustang. But guess what?
Mustang?
Your Mustang.
That's right.
But yeah, we're about to drive 3 hours over there.
We should show them the shit.
Ish, huh?
We should show them what we've done so far.
Oh yeah, you guys want to see something?
Oh.
We've done the. It's dirty. Yes, I know.
At least you can't scratch it.
Hey, shut up, don't touch it, it's dirty. But yes, guys, we've done the trunk. I have the spoiler at the house because of space. We've done the hardtop, we wrapped it. Looks pretty decent, right? It's pretty nice, and it says right there. Ow. Yeah, we did the hood.
Best looking thing so
This
far.
is the best looking thing so far.
Like, bro.
Then it goes to the trunk, and then the fender, no, the spoiler, which I don't have here. We got the hardtop glass fenders. Not pretty. It's pretty nice, pretty neat.
Yeah,
It's pretty super dirty, I tell you guys that, but it's
hey,
coming
you can see
along.
yourself through it.
It's coming along. It's like a mirror. It's like, what? What? Look at that. Look at that, how white man that is. Look.
White man. Don't
wait,
stop.
I said that backwards. But yeah, you guys are experiencing the new GoPro 8. I hope you guys like the quality of it, because we spent like all of our dirty money, all them nights we
all
spent
corners.
at the corners, you know, booty shorts, strip clubs, the poles, man, we hit them hard. It's right there.
But what time is it? It's like 3-ish.
It's like, clearly, damn, you can see my tan line, bro. Yeah, guys, I lost my Apple Watch. I don't know where it is. I looked in the car. Where's my phone? My phone is in the car too. It's probably like 3 something, like 320, I believe. I want to say. But yeah, guys. But yeah, guys. We'll see you guys later.
We'll get that credit back, and so that will bring us
What's up, YouTube? We got to stop, get gas real quick. We're not electric, we're not Tesla. But yeah, looking good so far, right? Yeah, and looking clean. Woo, man. It's like me, I'm good.
You hold this? I gotta pee.
I got well, YouTube, you're about to see me pee. So we made it.
fix these headers up.
Oh yeah, the headers.
They did a complete header delete.
We did a head. Oh my God, that thing is
Woo! Does
retro.
that mean there's no cats?
Bro, it looks like the Honda has an upgrade now. Yo.
Look at that ceramic coat.
Hey man, look at the camera. Let me see your face.
Don't do that. My hair is
Yes.
fucked up.
So how do you feel, man? Dude, open it. Sit in it.
It's the same thing, bro. I just want to start it.
Bro, I know you cried like a baby for your car the whole week. I couldn't stand you crying about it.
Right, you're right. You're right.
Sit
You're
on
right.
it.
Okay.
Sit down. Don't.
Hey,
That's not a good
crap.
idea.
Look.
Oof.
What is this?
It's a bucket. I told you
That's not a bucket.
your car had plastic
What is
like a
this?
lot. Your inner,
Oh,
the front of it.
it is.
Pop
yeah.
the hood. Pop the hood. Just pop the hood.
Yeah. Dang, it looks
Whoa.
What the?
It looks the same to me. I don't know.
It
what
literally
look like.
is.
But guys, it looks super stock.
That's how I wanted it.
It looks super
Let's see
slow.
What it looks like under here.
Like the Mustang it is.
Yeah.
Because my Honda's
Let's see what
faster.
we got underneath there. If you could.
You can't
Let me
really
see your
tell.
light.
You can't really tell. You can barely see though. If anything.
Oh yeah.
Like if you know where it's at, like if you know where you're looking for, you can
How low
see it.
is it?
Yes. I got my car.
It's gonna be a cold start too.
Get it.
How you feel, bro? How you feel? Yeah! Yeah!
Hello.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
So we're gonna get you.
Yeah, look at you.
So we left it off.
Bro! Yo! Yo! The fucking turbo! Yo! Where's the fucking the light? I need light.
Stupid fast.
Bro, your fucking face! Yo! What the fuck? Yo! That's just wild.
You can like, you think VTEC job, bro?
Man, fuck you.
Oh my god.
Yo, that's crazy.
That wasn't even half throttle.
No,
was
no,
not
no,
half
I
throttle,
don't
bro.
want to.
Yeah, no, fuck no.
Yo.
Oh my fucking dude, I'm like shaking.
Yeah, I am too, bitch. It's fucking cold. Woo! It sounds amazing, bro. Yo! Bro! Yo! No way! No! No! Yo!
That was into it a little bit.
Yo, that shit pulled.
Dude, that's
Yo! That, yo! Yeah, this is the one. Yo! Okay, so I've been in fast cars and I drive like a
Never
fucking
felt anything
maniac.
like that.
But this is insane, bro. Like, yo! Yo! Like, this is out of this world. Yee. Man, what do you think? Do you hear it?
Legit.
Man, bro, oh my
I
god,
was
bro.
not even halfway throttled.
That, no, this is retarded. Like, this is,
when you feel the boost at,
it
hits
pulls,
hard, hits
like,
hard.
it pulls like a mother. Yo, you know what kind of gaps
This
are you
isn't
gonna be
even me
hanging
being cold
out?
right now. That's just me shaking because how crazy it
Yo,
Put your hand
Yo.
back out. Let's see that.
bro, let me see
Like,
that.
Hey, Luke.
It's scary.
There's some baby hands right there.
Yeah, my hands are red.
Whoa, you want to smoke, bro? Dude, you know what kind of gaps you gonna be handing out, bro? Like,
I'm not even going to.
you need a
try it.
sticker like Gapplebee's. You want to go to a Gapplebee's? Get a Gap instead of Apple. Let me stand behind 100 feet. Woo! Yo. Bro, that is disrespectful, man. I wouldn't mind waiting.
It's a big
okay.
mistake.
What?
They
This?
shouldn't have done this.
This?
Like, I'm addicted now. Like,
Hold on, let me put my fucking seatbelt, nigga. Wait a minute. This is, bro, you need, okay, first things first, you need racing seats now.
no.
Like,
I need
with the,
axles first.
no, with the
The harness.
yeah, oh, that wasn't good.
No. from a dig.
Oh, chill. Whoa! That was us!
What?
That was us! What?
What? That was a pop!
Huh? Was that you?
Yes!
No shit.
Yes!
What did you do?
I don't know! Nothing! Oh, you feel that?
Yeah, no, that was not good.
That was tire slipping, boy.
I don't
Alright.
want a touchdown in there.
Hey guys, so we had to make a quick stop. The car is amazing and everything, but apparently we have a, what is it, radiator leak?
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not that bad, but it's creating a lot of smoke. Or
A lot of
condensation,
smoke.
Like insanely a lot. I don't know if you can still see it. That one right there. Right there. It's looking from there. I don't know if you can really see how it is, but yeah, so we're gonna try to fix this. See, as they're working on it, it's hot. But yeah, it's a little speed bump in the road, but overall, man, this is a hell of a car. Like, I've been in fast cars, like I've been in 10-second cars and everything, like they pull like crazy, but this is just insane. Like, it's beyond this world.
Yes. Nice. Good job, Dad.
Nothing like that power, bro.
Dang, look at that. We don't
So
need
I
a
need
mechanic. We are the mechanics.
No, I need the other. Someone talking.
This is the adventures of having a turboed car.
Flashlight of the year.
Nice. That's crazy.
Wrong one. What I do?
We got it back together. We gotta make a trip to Walmart. What time is it?
Swap. 8:30.
8:30.
We're gonna get home like at midnight.
Oh my! I forgot about the drive. Bruh.
Okay, so we temporarily fixed it. We barely have any coolant, so we're about to go to Walmart and try to find.
Whoa!
What was that? What was that?
My coolant is hot. It's hot. It's hot.
In 2.7 miles, turn left onto Brushy Mountain Road.
Okay, so we are not gonna make it to Walmart.
Oh. It's hot. It's hot.
Proceed to the route.
Just park it and leave it.
What y'all doing?
It's hot.
Huh?
It got hot.
Engine coolant hot. All right, so we went to Dollar General. This is not a sponsor, I promise. We're gonna fill the coolant. Hopefully that helps. Huh?
Yeah, put some more. Because you see where the men's at? The men's here.
Yeah.
So it's
That's a minimum? Oh, shoot. That's crazy. Alright, let's see what we got going on in here. Oh, it's going down. Heck yeah. This is a struggle, man. We were supposed to leave out of here at like 7:30. It's like, let me see what time it is. It's 8:50.
I think that's his
Oh, it's gonna be a really late night.